Welcome to Trive International. We will now go through the process of registering with the Trive platform. Go to www.trive.com/int and click on the Register button in the top right corner of your screen. Enter your personal information such as name, email address, phone number, and referral code if you have been referred by an existing Trive client. If you have not been referred by an existing client, simply click on the confirmation checkbox and then click Continue to proceed to the next step of the registration process. On the next screen, enter your desired password within 8 to 15 characters. Use both uppercase and lowercase letters and a combination of numbers and English letters. Select the checkbox to confirm whether you are a U.S. resident for tax purposes or otherwise, then click on Complete to finish the first step of the registration process. Once the registration is complete, you will enter the SCA dashboard area where you can see all your account information at a glance as well as options to deposit and withdraw funds.
Next, access your account dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Account. From there, click on Open a Live Account. Provide the required personal and financial details with precision. This step is critical to ensuring compliance with international standards. Upload your verification documents, such as a valid ID and proof of address. Ensure these documents are clear and up to date to avoid delays. Once your details are reviewed and approved, you'll receive an email confirming your live account activation. You're now ready to trade on Trive.
Trive.